Hello everybody, this is Aggie from Q Language Services, back again with another paperless note-taking tool for interpreters. This one's quite unusual. It's a chalkboard and chalk. The advantages of this solution is that it's very cheap, £250 for this set of chalkboard and chalk on Amazon. You can use it, for example, if you have glare from the window like I am having right now. You can draw and write and it's still in quite good contrast. You can use chalk if, for example, you have some issues with fine motor skills or have stiff fingers for whatever reason, because you don't need to do the tri-finger grip with chalk. And it's quite portable. You can, for example, buy one or two of these and carry them with you to take notes. There are certain disadvantages of this, however, and one of them is the fallout and the messiness of the chalk. I have here Hagoromo chalk. It's a Japanese chalk, which is meant to be one of the best ones in the world, or the best one in the world. And it's supposed to be dust-free, but still, when I'm writing with it, I can actually see there's a little bit of a fallout. You would need a water supply or some wet paper tissues if you want to wipe it properly and if you want to make sure there are no marks. And obviously you will have to keep buying chalk, so it will involve a certain expense. The situations where you might consider using the chalkboard and chalk is, for example, during VRI or video remote interpreting. If you want to illustrate concepts, if you want to allow the service user to give instant feedback, if you want to illustrate certain concepts, for example, if you want to show a half or a quarter of something, or even if your voice or if the audio is interrupted and you want to let the service user and the professional know that you can't hear them, you can use this and let them know. And it is quite useful for these situations, and like I said, it's the cheapest solution that I have found so far. So let me know what you think in the comments, and please don't forget to subscribe to get more content about interpreting, translation and CPD, and also ways of making your professional interpreting life easier. Thank you so much, and see you next week.